Hey everybody, it's Sam here. Thank you for watching today. So I've got something a little bit different to share, and it's a new planner by the Creative Craft Products brand. So I was recently sent this one and I'm going to start using it. I've got lots of lovely kind of stickers and things like that from everyday journaling, and I'm going to show you those in a moment, but I just wanted to talk through this first. So it's an all-in-one planner, A5, 80 sheets, 160 pages, and it says it contains a week to view calendar, lists and notes section, and a free pen holder. And you can also get the refill as well, which I have here. And I thought I would share this now, this side of Christmas, because it's a nice gift idea, I think, but also something, you know, if you're looking at a nice planner for yourself, then it'd be really nice. So I thought I would share it now. So we've got that's the pen, free pen holder. So that must be an adhesive one then. And that's the refill then, that's this one here, what I've got, which is the notes. Okay, so you have a disc binding system there. So they are all individual discs that hold everything together. And then you've got that beautiful design on the front, and then that foiled gold creative planner writing. You've got your elastic there to hold it together. And on the back, see that gorgeous design there. And then inside, got the start here, plan to make it happen, this planner belongs to, and then the calendar 2023. So that's a nice overview there of the year. And then here it says plan it, believe it, achieve it. Okay, so then we've got the last week of December here, which is handy, and then we go into next year. So you can see your whole week there. You've got a nice amount of space as well. Sometimes you just get like the lines and things like that. So I kind of like it all on one page as well for me personally. Just to quickly see what I've got going on for the week. You've got your whole month there, and then you've got your notes. And then it just literally goes through the whole year there. And the colours change, but your detail here is all the same. You've got like the green, the pinks and the oranges there. Then at the end of that part, so the 52 weeks there, you have your key dates. And then you've got achievements. I try to. I should put some down here and then we'll see how we go. Notes. So you've got quite a lot there for notes. And I think the refill has some more as well. I do love the colour palette. I think it's really nice. So that's your main, like I said, diary calendar section. And then here we have the organised section. So we've got every day is a fresh start. So we've got to-do lists. So, and it's nice that there's no dates on any of this, so you can put your date in. So, I mean, I don't have, in terms of work, I have a lot going on, but some weeks in my personal life, I might not have a lot to do. So it's quite nice to be able to just put the week in when there is a lot going on. So you've got a nice chunk there. You've got quite a few pages. And then here, so that's your to-do, priorities, and then leave it for later. So you've got a nice chunk of paper there, and then this is must do, should do, could do if I had time. That's a good one, because I do have a list, and there's always those things at the bottom that you just never get around to doing. Those should go in there. So again, you've got a nice amount of papers there for that. And then you've got time to list. You've got 1, 2, 3, you've got 4, 5 there. I think it might be 5 for each, to be honest. Like so. And then here it says, live the life you love. Do love the gold font with the floral design there. It's really, really pretty. And this is more notes again. I like that. Nice, plain, just kind of to scribble, you know, anywhere. So you've got, again, that's the big section there. You've got loads of paper. And then here we've got time to be fabulous. Ideas. This is nice. And this is probably the part that I will go to a lot. I do have a little pad by the side of my bed. When I wake up at some silly times in the morning with an idea, I can jot it down. And then I can just pop it into here, because I do have a lot of post-its lying around, so I do need to get a bit more organised with that. And then you have at the back here, dream big. So this is nice here to almost like a little scrapbook kind of collage pages. You can add little photos of maybe a holiday destination you want to go to. So I think it's quite nice to have an area for that. Then you've got goals, lots of plain space as well. Doodles. I'm terrible whenever I'm like on the phone to someone. I'm always scribbling on things, so I'll try not to do that there. I'll do some nice doodles. And then again, dream big. And then you've got your 2024, so that's handy to have at the very back there, so I can just have a quick glance to see when it, you know, it's always when you start to get to that later part of the year, you want to start looking ahead into the following year. So you've got that there as well. So this one here is your pen holder. So I think this is, yeah, adhesive. So what I'm going to do, I want to find a nice pen that's going to match to go in this one. So I've got a few pens here. I remember I picked these up not too long ago from Paper Chase, and they're actually a really nice colour combo, especially those two. I might get rid of the purple and use these two for this one, because I could also have one kind of on the top there. I think I'm going to have it on the back here. Let's just close this up. If I imagine it's in there and then the elastic just kind of sticks out. Yeah, so I'm going to stick mine. So this is, you know, you can pop it wherever you want. Ooh. Like so. And then let's pop the pink one in there. Like so. So now when that closes, oh, that looks really nice. It's the perfect match. And then, like I said, if you're someone that likes to have more than one pen, you can see there you can, you know, clip more onto the front. You can have it like so as well. So I like the pen holder. So let's have a look at the refill. So the refill consists of all note paper, but you've got half with the same kind of design that went at the back of the whole year. And then the other notes is just that more kind of plain one, which is under the actual notes tab there. And if you're unsure on how these fit, you basically just sit them next to it and you just push them in. And they just clip around the disc. Like so. And now it can't come out. But it will turn really nicely. I'm not going to put too many in there because there's already obviously a lot in here. And by the time I start writing in it and adding things, but I mean, you could probably put that all in one go. Yeah, maybe I'll just do these ones. I won't add any more. You can see there how it just all pushes around, clips in really easily. And you can see there that whole lot, how easy it is to kind of move. So I'm going to keep that one because I mean, it might be enough. Maybe I could put it all in. Let's see how much space I've still got at the very beginning. Yeah, I probably could get that in there. Let's have a go. I guess it's all there then. There we go. Yeah, it's still got plenty of room, even with all of the refills in there. Okay, so that's kind of a look at the actual planner there and how it all works. So also in my parcel was this here. These are all different stickers. So you've got a fresh start sticker pack, which is good, I guess, for like January and the beginning of the year. So where you've got, you know, the goals and everything that I went through at the back under all of these other tabs here, these stickers here you can use on your day-to-day. So if and I laugh when I say this, but I need to start doing a bit more exercise, I might have a day scheduled, so I've got the sticker there that I could pop in on Thursday the 5th of January, exercise, the time, any other information. Deadlines, I've always got deadlines, so that's quite a handy one. And then you've just got your goals and relax. Like I said, you can create like little scrapbook layouts, little collages, and the stickers are really nice for that. This one here is thoughts on travel. So again, I've got no holidays planned at the moment, but when that time arises, you've got some nice ways to decorate the pages there. And then if you just want to make your weeks look a little bit more colourful and crazy, then you've got all of these here. So I think the pinks will work quite nicely, but you could just go over. I'll do it on the very first one here. Let's just show you a couple of these here. So I could have the first there, and then the second, like so. So that's just an example. If you just wanted to make that page a little bit different, that's one way of using them. And then I could go into, you know, the next week here, or whenever, and you know, just do every others, and you could go over the day there and just have it a little bit different. You've then got this one here, so don't forget, review, to-do, goals, things like this are quite good for me for if I've got like my MOT booked in and doctor's appointments, things like that. So you can have those, you know, stuck on the days, and obviously it's really going to stand out. And you get quite a lot in here. But I'm hoping if this does well, that they will bring out little sticker packs and things like this. I think that would be really nice. You can see you get flowers there. So maybe, you know, I go for a really nice long walk every Sunday. So, you know, I could put in here, walk where I went, and then I could have a few little flowers, you know, just kind of decorated around it as well. You've got your months there. They all have quite a lot inside them. This one here, again, thoughts on travel, so it's just little stickers there. But you've also got lists, itinerary, explore, noted, don't forget, adventure. It's a good one when you've got your holiday packing to prepare. You can use, you know, your lists here, and you could, you know, stick the bikini there and the don't forget, and then, you know, you've got your little circles there to tick. So that was just the extra bits I got, but like I said, but it's mainly to show you the planner and just to give you, yeah, just maybe a nice gift idea for yourself or to a friend. I think it's lovely. I'm glad I've got this. Like I said, I'm going to start using it. I've already got things in January that I need to write in, appointments and things like that going on. So yeah, thank you Craft Stash for sending it to me. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've already got it, because I know that I think this was briefly shared and spoken about last week possibly. So I know some of you in the comments have said that it's a lovely gift idea. So yeah, just need to, I might stamp my name there actually. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. I will link directly to this product in the description box so you can check out the prices. You can buy it on its own with the refill, and you can buy the refill separate as well, I believe. So, but it will all be linked below so you can have a little look. As always, thank you for watching today, and I'll be back again very soon with more tutorials. Take care. Bye.